Welcome to Your Turn, where you ask me questions and I try to answer them. So I got asked the question, why do you drill a hole in a hollow vessel before it's hollow when you're getting ready to hollow it? So if I do drill into here and put a hole in here, I can set the depth as to how deep I want to hollow, which is great. But also, by drilling into here, I'm removing a lot of this wood that is really difficult to get out with a hollowing system, because why not drill it out and get it out of the way and make your life easier? The other thing that's important is what type of bit you use to drill that hole. And I like to use Forstner bits, but there are differences in Forstner bits. If you look at the gap in this one, it's really wide. This one's narrower. This will throw out more shavings while you're doing the drilling, which is safer and easier. So you can see as I'm advancing in, I need to slow this down a little bit. This is why I like this Forstner bit, because it's ejecting the shavings, right? Class I was teaching on hollowing, I told everybody go really, really slow, back out, clean the chips out as you go, because it's safer and this will get bound up in here. The shavings will pack really, really tight and you can't get the drill bit, the Forstner bit, in and out, right? Well, the other thing that happened was, watch what's coming out here as I turn this. You think it's smoke, right? It's actually steam. This is steam from the wet wood coming out. Well, I had a student who just kept pushing and pushing all the way in, and all of a sudden, across the room, I hear this giant explosion, and stuff is going everywhere. What had happened was he kept drilling in there, the shavings packed up on this side like this, and it built up a steam bomb. And so that steam had to release, and finally it just blew out of there. It was quite interesting and quite exciting. Something I really don't want to ever see again. So when you're drilling and drilling the hole, it's really important to help you with your hollowing, but also take your time and go slow. This isn't a race. You go too fast, it can be way too exciting.